Have you ever had one of those days where you just didn't want to be in front of a camera? My name's D7 here at Grok Trade. It is Monday, January 29th, 2018, and the markets in the day bearish. Everybody in negative territory. You can see this across the board. Crude oil down nearly a full percent. Gold down more than 0.5%. Silver down 1.2%. VIX increasing by 25%. Fear increasing by 25%. Bitcoin down again 4%. GBTC down 98%. Now that's I haven't done any research on that yet. Not sure what happened there, but there's something screwy going on. Let's take a look here at the spiders. Up, 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 up. But there's what I'm afraid of. Just like we talked about on the weekend edition, this right here could be a problem for the markets. I mean, we've had our worst day of the year, okay, as the 10-year bond yields, they're trading right now at the highest levels since 2014. I mean, guys, we could be topping out right now. The Dow actually, is almost a sell. I think tomorrow could be bloody, guys. Tomorrow could be bloody. Oh no, look at small caps. The Russell's 2000. It broke back down below this trend line. It's still above the moving average. I'm going to give it one more day before I put a sell on it. But guys, it's not looking good. This is not looking good. Right here, we're looking at the financials. Dollar sideways. Crude oil still holding its own. Good with my buy call down here. Gold. At one point when I looked at it earlier today, it was way down there, but I thought, well, chances are it's going to close back at that trend line, and sure enough, that's what it did. If you guys draw these trend lines correctly, you'll be amazed on the power of these things. You can see where resistance there, support there, and we closed at it. And you can see just where I mean, man, if I go back and show you this, you'll see a couple of areas that I've drawn these. You can see all my buy and sell recommendations. Those are my recommendations for me. But look at this, resistance, resistance, resistance. Not for you. Education purposes only. Resistance right here. You can see that. And then if you zoom in, resistance, support, support broken, back up above that area of support. So it's right there. Right there. Very, very interesting. This is a good chance and a good place for it to bounce. Silver. Silver did the exact same thing. It was down below this major trend line and it closed right at it. It's just amazing what these trend lines will do and how powerful they are. If you go back in time, so we got resistance, resistance twice, September, resistance here in January, resistance broken, now support and support. Good place for it to bounce. VIX though, called it a buy back here on January 5th. Up, 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 little pullback. Up, 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 up. Man, we're at 13.8, guys. 13.8 when we were hovering down here in the 9s. Huge, huge fear, man. Oh, big fear. Big fear. Bitcoin. What a disappointment. We had this beautiful flag right here over the weekend. I thought we were going to explode out of this, that we were having this big rally. But right now, this is more of a, man, that's more of a sell. I'm going to stay with my buy as long as we can stay above, hopefully we stay above 11,000. But I am so tempted to put a sell on Bitcoin right now. I'm going to stick with my buy. And this is the screwy thing with GBTC. You can see this huge gap down. It's way down here at 19. So it looks like to me it was a major split that took place. But Just not sure. Or some sort of, yeah, just not sure. I'm not even going to speculate. So the news is out there. I just failed to go look it up before I did the video. Quick look at Dow stocks. Look at this Caterpillar off by 2.7%. Are you kidding me? Look at that. Fortunately for me, I had a sell on it already. But wow, what a drop. CVX is down 2%. There it is. I got to put a sell on this one. I was absolutely good. Remember I was talking about this over the weekend? So I'm going to stay with it because it's still in bullish territory. Now it's not. There's my sell. 1.5 on Dow DuPont. Oh boy. I'm going to give that a sell too. Guys, sell. That's a tweezer top 2. Sell City. Goldman Sachs up 1.6. I have a buy on that one. Boom. Looking good. Any other big movers that I want to look at? Man. Anytime you get big companies moving 1%, that should be an eye-opener. Let's look at tech stocks. See if any tech stocks. Oh, one of our users asked me to put shop on it, Shopify. I did add Shopify to that list. It's one that we look at from time to time. Let's go to tech stocks. See, Apple down 2%. Wow. And I had a sell on that one. And oh, and it broke a major area of support. Look at this. Oh, Apple's toast, guys. Put a fork in it. Oh, it's done. Okay. Apple's in trouble. Big time trouble. Called it a sell back here on January 24th. Baidu down 2.5%, but it's nothing. Okay. 2% on Facebook down. Ooh, that's going to get a sell from me. Facebook is a sell now. GoPro down 5%. I was short this on the 25th, and it broke support. Wow, that's in trouble. It's in trouble. Okay. Ooh, Netflix up 3.6%. Had a buyback here on December 29th. Boom, and then it hits its head, pulls back. Boom, breaks resistance, and then earnings. Boom, boom, boom. I mean, it's on fire. Netflix is on fire. All right, let's look here. Anything else I want to... Whoa. Oh, let's look at Shopify. Big pop. Not ready for a sell on this one yet, but man, what a pop. It had this symmetrical triangle that chopped around in forever. Finally broke out here. But because it failed to hit this support area, we had put a buy on this. And it popped up. And sure enough, this was the time. It showed relative strength because it failed to come down here. And that's where it blasted through. And now it's going up. I expect it to pull back, though. But Twitter up 3.7. Wow. Over the weekend, Friday, I put a buy on this. And I said, but it might hit its head. No, it broke through this. Now we still have resistance, but this could get really bullish, guys, on Twitter. That's a good move on Twitter. There you have it. If you like it, subscribe, follow so you don't miss any of this goodness. And if you want to check out some of our training, we've got one coming up. You could join us from the comforts of your own home. There's the number. Send me your name and email. We'll send you some more information about the upcoming mentoring. Take care, and we'll catch you guys later.